Pandemic got you down, isolation keeping you from buying all the art supplies you've ever dreamed of. Well, don't you worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make watercolors at home using things you've probably got lying around the house or in your kitchen. So, take a gander through your house, go on a hunt for the supplies, and we can get started. So I've just let some markers sit in a little bit of water overnight, and it makes a really nice inky color in the bottom that works really well for watercolors. Food coloring also works very well. Liquid juice mix works the same way that food coloring does. Green tea or matcha mix. Cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, and Q-tips to use as paintbrushes. To mix my ingredients, I just eyeballed it with a little bit of water and about a teaspoon of my ingredient that I'm using. You just want to make sure you do stir it really well so that there's not too much sediment at the bottom. So here is what the cayenne pepper looks like. Applying with my Q-tip, you really just want to mix it up near the bottom to make sure you get all the little bits that have fallen down, because that's what's going to give you that rich color. And you just might have to give it a few layers to make your color brighter. Here's the food coloring. The nice thing about food coloring is that you do get to choose your color, whatever color you've got, and it has really bright saturated color as well. Turmeric powder, which is very thick and has a really nice gold color. If you want to layer up your watercolor to go darker and darker, it really helps if you wait till each layer is dry before adding another one. And this will just prevent your paper from getting crinkly. Liquid juice mix, I'm just using the Mio juice mix, but I believe any kind will work just as well. So if you don't have any matcha mix, you can definitely steep a little bit of green tea in some water, and that will work too. You can also steep some hibiscus tea or some berry tea in a little bit of water, and you'll get more of a pinkish color. I just really like the earthy green color that green tea and matcha make. And so if you've got any markers lying around, even markers that have been used up and are old, you can let them sit in water overnight and they will make a really rich inky color. I also like this method because you can just use the marker that's been sitting in the water as a paintbrush. I hope that you found this video helpful. Have fun experimenting with making watercolors at home, and I'll see you next time.